In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load your website project setup within Wix Editor using Chrome and open the trigger settings for your pop-up lightbox. To begin, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed in to the correct Wix account for the website project you want to work on. Once you're ready, load your website project inside the Wix Editor. Give the editor a moment to fully load so all tools, panels, and design elements appear correctly. This is especially helpful if your site includes a lot of content, since clicking too quickly before the editor finishes loading can sometimes make it harder to find the right options. Once your project is open in the Wix editor, move your attention to the left side toolbar. This is where Wix keeps many of the main site management and design controls. From there, click the Pages and Menu Navigation tool icon. This area lets you manage the main structure of your website, including standard pages and other related elements. After the panel opens, switch over to the Lightboxes subcategory tab. Lightboxes in Wix are the pop-up style overlays that can appear on top of your site content, often used for announcements, sign-up forms, promotions, or important messages. When you enter the Lightboxes section, look for the active pop-up layout asset container, which is the currently selected lightbox design you want to edit. Click directly on that pop-up layout box frame to highlight it. Make sure you're selecting the actual lightbox container and not just another nearby item in the editor. If needed, pause for a second and confirm that the correct element is active before moving on. With the pop-up layout selected, choose the Set Triggers option. This is the setting that controls when and how the lightbox appears to your visitors. Opening this area is an important part of managing the user experience because it allows you to define what action causes the pop-up to display. For example, triggers are commonly tied to timing or visitor behavior, so reaching the settings area is the key step before making any visibility adjustments. As a quick tip, whenever you work with lightboxes in Wix, it's a good idea to double check that you're editing the correct one, especially if your site uses multiple pop-ups. That helps avoid changing the wrong asset by accident. And once you've opened the trigger settings, you'll be in the right place to continue configuring how that pop-up behaves within your site project.